party, I guess.
More bubbles for me.
More bubbles.
And I'm not eat the bunny.
Is it chocolate?
No, chocolate and that.
Maybe Mommy and Daddy will have to hide them for you to find on Easter morning. It looks like we got a nice card. Look at those cute little koala bears. That's pretty.
Like them. I don't got to touch them. I think it.
Maya, can you look at the camera and say thank you, Omanota? Maya.
We're magnets. Go on here.
Right.
Maya.
Cheese.
Okay.
There's no banana.
Look at the camera.
There's no banana.
Can you wave?
And a kiss?
And a blow kiss. Ooh. Okay, let's see what else you got here, kiddo.
I got this.
Oh,
Mommy,
yeah.
you're in the way of Cooper.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Cooper. Mommy will go to the other side, Maya, and you can pass it to me over here.
Wow. Ooh, what for me?
One for
Give
you,
it to
one
Cooper.
For Cooper? Yeah, why didn't you give it to Cooper? Why didn't you give Cooper one to play with?
Yeah, I feel like to
This
play
one
with.
is his.
That one's for Cooper?
Yeah, you
Okay.
give it to him.
Here you go. There's yours.
Oh, he lost it.
Yeah.